If you're seeing the error that says a pop-up blocker may be preventing the application from opening the page in Firefox, don't worry, this is usually a quick fix. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn off the setting that blocks pop-ups and third-party redirects so the page can open properly. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Let's get into it. First, open Firefox on your computer. In the top right corner, click the menu button with the three horizontal lines. From the menu, click Settings. This will open the Firefox settings page where you can manage your privacy and site permissions. On the left side, select the permissions section and the area for data or site controls, depending on your Firefox version. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Block Pop-ups and Third-Party Redirects. This setting is usually enabled by default to protect you from unwanted windows, but it can also stop legitimate apps or websites from opening correctly. Once you find it, simply uncheck the box next to Block Pop-ups and Third-Party Redirects. As soon as you disable it, Firefox will allow pop-up windows and redirects that are needed for the application to open. After that, go back to the page or application that was giving you the error and try opening it again. In most cases, the page should load normally now. If it still doesn't work, refresh the page and make sure any other security extensions are not blocking the site. But for most users, this one setting is the fix. So to recap, click the menu, open Settings, go to Permissions and Data, scroll down and uncheck Block Pop-ups and Third-Party Redirects. That should remove the Firefox pop-up blocker issue and let the application open without any problems. If this video solved your issue, please give it a like, subscribe for more fixes like this, and I'll see you in the next one.